Mike Pettiford here from Go4IT, and we're out in the garage. I thought I'd go over some of the cars that we have for rent. We'll start off with the Volkswagen. It's a 2017 Golf R. It's all-wheel drive. It's a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbo. Normal ones make about 292 horsepower. This one makes about 400 horsepower. So it goes about 174 miles an hour, and it does a 202 at High Plains Raceway. And it's a DSG transmission. It's got sticky tires on it today, and we've got a rear sway bar. Other than that, it's 100% stock. It's also the driver's ed car, so if you're doing your behind the wheel lessons, this will be the car that we will use for our driver's ed car. And it's a lot of fun, and it will surprise a lot of people. If you're in your Corvette or your Viper or your Camaro or your Mustang and you can't drive it very well, you will see a silly little Golf pass you with a guy that looks like me with a silly grin on my face, and it's kind of fun.